Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about the best ways to get a hold of additional World Tree Holy Water, other than just these random fountains that are scattered around. There's like a handful of them, and they all drop like 10 World Tree Holy Water. And that's just not a very good way to do it because, well, there's only like a couple of them here and there, and they only give you 10 at a time. And you need hundreds, if not thousands, of the holy water in order to get stuff done. Because literally everything, once you get to this level, is like this drone launcher that requires like 70 plus Paxilite ingots, and for every ingot of Paxilite you want to make, you need to have at least one holy water. So the best way to handle this is to simply go to an area full of different types of enemies that you don't mind farming. I'm literally in front of the entrance to the world tree over there, and I have in my party different mobs that boost the drops I get from things like dark pals or from ground pals or electric pals, and those ones I could even condense further to boost the drops even more, so that as I go around killing all these Grizzbolts, I have a chance of getting even more of the holy water when I kill them. Now, it doesn't really matter what type of mob you really hunt, it doesn't seem, inside of the world tree, because all of them have roughly equal chances of dropping some of the holy water. It just matters that you know what you're going to be killing so that you can boost drops from that specific type. And so the ones that I've got, again, are I have a Menasting, a Vaelet, Elphidran, and then I could even have like a different type of Menasting if I wanted to, the Terra variety, and it would provide another buff on top of that. And then you just really just don't stop killing until you have as many holy water as you need. And this is more or less one of the best ways in order to get all of the holy water. Now the other thing you can do is you can go around and you can mark all of the different spots, like this one over here, where you might find another like spring that also provides some holy water. But again, in the time it takes me just to walk over there, I could kill more of these Masan Deluxes and these Grizzbolts and potentially get even more than if I bothered to walk over there for my paltry 10 that they give you for free. There's 3 of them. And then my pal just killed this guy up here. And that's another 2, so that's 5 right there. And I didn't even need to bother starting to go into the direction of that other water spring. As long as I have boosters, it makes sure that I get additional whenever I kill an electric pal. So that'll really be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has just been a brief look at how to get the most holy water possible. Just kill things really, really fast. And you can make them die even faster once you get at higher levels of technology, like the beam launcher, or building the drone launcher and letting them auto-kill everything around you. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.